Hey, what is up guys? I'm Curtis here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to checkmate Black's King in just 9 moves. Using Vienna Game, Frankenstein Dracula, Boden Kisiritsky Gambit. If you want to play chess online, go to my channel and click either those 6 links in my description, including chess.com and lichess.org. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more latest updates. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy this video. Queen sacrifice. Check. Ladies and gentlemen, and that's checkmate. Thank you for watching. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you guys next time. Peace.